The UK is committed to reducing carbon emissions nationwide to 68% below the 1990 levels. This should be achieved by 2030 and net zero reached by 2050.
But what does this mean for SME manufacturers like me?
For manufacturers, you need to make operational changes, such as being more resource efficient, which is not only good for the environment, but it also makes good business sense too.
We've worked in this way for years. Why should we bother now?
Typically, manufacturers are focused on labour and productivity, rather than focusing on other costs such as energy and materials. Being more resource efficient can significantly reduce those costs and unlock the potential for you to make more with less. Being more environmentally aware can provide business opportunities to participate in new green supply chains, attract and retain talent, and provide access to business support opportunities within green improvement projects. Basically, companies that recognise and reduce their environmental impact perform better and are positioned for the future regulatory challenges.
That sounds great, but where do I start?
Taking those first steps towards net zero and sustainability can seem confusing and overwhelming to businesses. One simple action manufacturers can take is to reduce their energy consumption. Within manufacturing, we consume energy when we drive machines and transport materials and parts, in the heat processes that convert materials into products, and when warming the spaces we use. There is a huge opportunity to reduce unnecessary energy usage.
That sounds time-consuming and expensive.
Getting started does not need to be difficult or expensive, and even small measures can have a big impact. That's where digital technology can help, and where the Made Smarter programme can support your business. Made Smarter is a government-backed initiative, providing grants, advice and support to manufacturers looking to adopt digital tools. Made Smarter can work with you to identify simple interventions to reduce energy consumption, waste, costs, and ultimately your carbon footprint.
Have you got any examples of this?
Made Smarter worked with a Cumbrian-based caravan fitter to repurpose waste products that previously would have ended up in a landfill.
We reduced 4,320 kilowatts per hour of electricity usage, saving the business around £1,500 plus in electricity per year through using waste materials from the machining process, such as sawdust and sheet remnants, to heat the workshop and office and reduce the amount of waste going to landfill.
Made Smarter has also advised some companies on adopting new technology to help reduce travel time for workers, optimise supply chain deliveries, and source high-quality components locally. Made Smarter can help design a strategic digital transformation plan and build a roadmap to navigate through all phases of your decarbonisation journey. We partnered with a vinyl wrap door specialist to develop a full Industry 4.0 manufacturing platform.
Made Smarter helped us introduce a series of sustainability interventions that gave us a full visualization of how our machines perform and identify potential efficiencies to reduce energy use and waste. These changes accelerated our business towards achieving our goal of carbon neutrality, for which we have received the Queen's Award for Sustainability and B Corp status.
That sounds great, but how do I know which areas of my business I should focus on?
Through leveraging knowledge within your business, the metering of processes and the installation of low-cost sensors enable areas of opportunity to be easily identified. There are so many possibilities waiting to be unlocked. At Made Smarter, we're here to help. To find out more about how we have helped over 350 plus companies adopt new technologies and obtain free expert help, advice, and financial support for digital transformation, visit madesmarter.uk and start your digital journey to a greener, more efficient future.